Hi everyone, it's Sophie Hannah here on the Feelunique YouTube channel, and I'm so excited to share my nighttime skincare routine with you all. If you've been following my social media lately, you would have seen that I got married and I went on my honeymoon, and as you can imagine, weddings are very stressful and I neglected my skin a lot in the months before the wedding just because I was so busy. I had wedmin to do, I had DIY projects, and yeah, I just didn't really have time to pamper myself. However, it's all changed since I've got back, and I'm now using a range of products from Feelunique's website to really help my skin to get it hydrated, moisturised and just looking fresh. There's been 5 products that I've loved using since I've been back from my honeymoon, and I'm going to show you guys those today and how I use them. Feelunique have just launched a new brand called Hello Joe, and I've been loving using their lip mask and their jelly eye masks. My lips have been pretty dry recently, so this is really good to exfoliate them, and the eye masks just really energise your under eye. And then I've been using the Clinique Exfoliating Scrub, which is really good just to make sure all of my makeup's off and my skin is looking fresh. The Rodial Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. I've been using this to remove my makeup as it's really gentle and soothing. And finally, the e.l.f. Nourishing Night Cream. Now this has really been rehydrating my skin overnight and just energising it and giving it a nice glow when I wake up in the morning. So let's show you my nighttime skincare routine. My evening skincare routine. What did you guys think? I really love the range of products that I've been using. It's really helped my skin to just become really hydrated and glowing and just moisturised over the last few weeks since the wedding. I honestly really did neglect myself before the wedding, and I just feel like it's been so nice pampering and just having a bit of me time and focusing on like my skin and just myself for once. And my favourite products from those 5 are actually the Hello Joe ones. I really love the new brand that Feelunique has just launched. It's got a really lovely story. From every sale of a product, they donate 50p to a charity called Rosa, which is basically for women and girls fighting against equality. So I just think it's a really nice cause that you're kind of buying into when you purchase the products. But not only do they do Hello Joe, there's so many other products on Feelunique's website, the ones that I use in this video and so many more. This is something for everyone, for every skin type. It's such a great skincare destination, well, beauty destination should I say. So yeah, everything is below for you to shop. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll probably see you back on this YouTube channel again soon. Peace out.